Okay, so first open this GitHub repository. I'll put the link in the description down below. So as you can see, this is a simple GoDaddy CLI to manage domains. So let's follow the instructions together. So the first thing we need to do is to get a GoDaddy API Key and Secret. Now you have to open developer.godaddy.com/keys. Okay, zoom in a little bit, and then click on the Create New API Key, and then choose Production. Name is optional, so you can just leave it blank, and then click on Next. And then just copy a key and secret and put it in a safe place. So I'm going to do that right now. Copy that, and then copy the secret. Now that we have the GoDaddy API Key and Secret, let's just open our terminal. Zoom in a little bit so you can see better. And let's start by creating a directory for GoDaddy CLI configuration. So let's say make dir to make a new directory, -p, and then home/.config/GoDaddy, and then do nano. It already shows for me, but you should keep typing home/.config/GoDaddy/credentials.json. I'm just gonna autocomplete it. So this will open the nano text editor and creating the file. Now you just have to copy your key and secret into a JSON content here. So open curly brace key, and then just paste your key here, comma, don't forget the comma, secret, don't forget the closing curly brace, and then just do Control-O to write the output, hit enter, and then Control-X. So far so good. Now let's just follow his instructions for installation and do it step by step. First, open our terminal again, and you can put it anywhere on your computer. For me, I like to put it in my personal project folder. So let's do git clone. Okay, and by the way, don't use this command because it might not work. Use this code and then the HTTPS one. cd into the GoDaddy CLI. Now we want to build and install the CLI, so do make, and then sudo make install. You have to enter your password. I'll do mine. Okay, so let's just double check it actually installed by doing GoDaddy --help. Perfect, now it's installed. I mean, let's just try using it, right? Let's see. Let me clear the terminal, and then let's see GoDaddy domains. Let's see what do we have here. Are we gonna get results? And boom, look at that. These are correct. These are my domains. And it says you can also list the DNS records for your domains. Let's just try that. So GoDaddy records list -- domain. Let's just try one of my domains, testfiber.xyz. And nice, I can see the DNS record. So there's also other things you can do. You can add a DNS record. You can remove a DNS record. So there you go. I hope this has been helpful, and give it a try if you prefer working in your terminal instead of always going to the GoDaddy interface.